Hi everyone, and welcome to Hermes Agent in Action. I'm Kenneth. In this course, we're going to build from scratch an AI agent that's truly yours, not a chat window, but an assistant that's on call 24/7, remembers you, and gets smarter the more you use it. Hermes Agent is fully open source, MIT licensed, built by the well-known AI research lab, Nous Research. That means everything you learn here isn't locked to any one company. You can read the code, change it, and run it yourself. Ready? Let's get started. Next page, slide 2. Why Hermes? Agent? Before we touch anything, one question. There are so many AI tools out there. Why learn Hermes? First, be clear on what it is. Hermes isn't a coding co-pilot locked inside an editor, and it isn't a chatbot wrapping an API. It's an autonomous agent, and it has 4 key differences. 1, a self-learning loop. This is what makes Hermes special. It turns experience into skills automatically, reuses them, and keeps improving as it works. Cross-session memory means it doesn't reset every time you reopen it. 2, it runs anywhere. On a $5 VPS, a GPU cluster, or serverless platforms like Modal and Daytona, idle when unused, almost free. The point, it isn't tied to your laptop. 3, it lives where you already are. Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, email, over 20 platforms, all sharing one agent and one memory. 4, open and trustworthy, built by the very team that trains the Hermes models, MIT licensed, with an active community. In one line, other tools make you go find the AI. Hermes moves the AI into your life. Next page, slide through 3. Who is this course for? On the left, 4 kinds of people this course is for. 1, beginners who want a 24/7 personal AI assistant. You need 0 technical background. 2, knowledge workers who want to automate repetitive work, people who spend every day sorting data, writing summaries, tracking information. 3, the AI curious who've never known where to start. 4, developers and consultants who want to ride the agent wave even if you can code. The deployment and integration thinking here is valuable. On the right, 4 things to prepare. A computer, Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. No coding background needed. Typing and pasting a command is enough. A Telegram account, which we connect in Chapter 6. And an openrouter API key. Don't worry, I'll walk you through creating it. The barrier really is that low. Next page slide for course map. Here's the map. 9 chapters designed to build step by step. Chapters 1 and 2 are the basics. Meet Hermes, get it installed. Chapter 3 is learning to talk to the agent, the single most important soft skill in the whole course. Chapters 4 and 5 are the soul of Hermes, the memory system and the skills system. These 2 are where you'll understand why it's called an agent that grows. Chapters 6 and 7 bring the agent into your life, connect it to messaging platforms like Telegram, then set up scheduling so it works while you sleep. Chapters 8 and 9 are the advanced topics, MCP integration to extend the toolbox infinitely, and sub-agents so one person can direct a whole team of AIS. One path. Install, converse, memory, skills, platforms, automation, advanced. Just follow along. See you in the next lesson, and leave a comment below if you hit any issues. Bye.